everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super easy little treat container that you can share with your friends during the holiday. It's made from one of the little Tootsie Roll containers that you get at Dollar Tree and a sock. And it's a cute little gnome, and you just take his hat off and you get the candy inside. So if you want to know how to make this little guy, stick around. I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. But make sure you make plenty because everybody will want one. Okay, for this one, we're going to use a Tootsie Roll container. You want to go ahead and move your plastic top on it, and we're going to use a sock. And we're just going to go ahead and glue on the bottom part of the Tootsie Roll container, go all the way down till the heel area with your sock, and go ahead and push that on down. You want to make sure you spend some time on this part because you don't want it falling over, so make sure that the bottom edge is flat. And then go ahead and pull it all the way up to the top, and you're going to cut across where the heel is. And then we're going to turn it down and glue it in. So we're just going to kind of turn it a little bit downward. Go ahead and get all the frays off of it that there are. Pull it way up and then go ahead and then turn it inside about a 1/2 inch seam. Just make sure you get all the little fray parts off of it. And then we're going to glue that right to the top of the Tootsie Roll container. Now, if you can't get a Tootsie Roll container, you can use like a can from canned vegetables or anything like that. But you'll want to probably go ahead and line the inside of it if you do. But you're just going to go ahead and glue right across the top part of this container. Just make sure that you don't glue where they can't get inside of it. So you're really just coming down by the ledge area. And then spend some time on this part because you want to make sure it gets glued in well. You don't want that coming apart when they put that hat on. Because they're going to take that hat on and off several times. On the other part of the sock, you're going to go ahead and straighten it out and cut that heel portion off right there. Just go straight across, make sure you get it straight. And then turn it inside out, and we're going to take a string, tie it around the front part at the top. And if you do it 3 times on your string, you don't have to hold your finger there. It tightens up real well. And tie it in knots several times. Next, we're just going to cut the beard, and we're going to cut it at 2 inches by 2 inches. And then just cut in a U shape all the way around there, cutting the backing only, not the fur itself. And then clean off any excess fur. Next, we're just going to go ahead and attach our beard. We're going to come down about 1/2 inch from the top edge and glue that on. And I got these socks at Target. They have quite a variety right now. If you just look up women's crew socks, these will come up. Get your beard smoothed out, and then we're going to go ahead and put our hat on. And then I'm going to add a Pom Pom to the top, and I've got this little Pom Pom stringer at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to cut one of these off. And you can use just a regular Pom Pom. I just had these, so I thought I'd use them. And then just roll it up in a ball, and it'll fluff up real nicely. And then we're just going to glue it right to the top. Next, I'm just going to add some fur trim right around the edge of it. And I got this at Amazon. I'll give you the link for it. It's really nice trim. And just going to start right in the center and then go all the way around. Now, once you finish doing this, you probably want to take your hat off. Don't put too much glue because you don't want to glue the hat to the container right here. Just a little bit of glue is better, and then just go ahead and pull your hat off after you finish just to make sure it did not get glued while it's still a little bit tacky. And this has a little bit of a lining to the back of it, so you make sure that you are putting the lining side down so that you don't see it. And then we're just going to overlap the other side over the top of that side. Okay, then we're just going to go ahead and attach his nose. We're just going to glue it right to the top edge of that beard. And this is pretty much easy. These are easy to make. You can make a lot of them really fast. Okay, these turn out super cute. They're very inexpensive to make. You can make them for your friends, for your family. They are great as a place setting on a table. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it.